My PC build mistake. Before building my PC, I had to decide on what processor I wanted within budget and sufficient for my game playing. Next, I researched for motherboards and chose one that was compatible with my processor. Before I purchased my motherboard, I researched it online and got good reviews. I also purchased a full tower PC case with good specifications such as 4x USB 3.0 ports. Other components I purchased were an AIO liquid CPU cooler, a power supply, RAM and a SSD drive. I purchased my graphics card lastly because they can be quite expensive and had to see what was left in my budget. When I built my PC, I immediately knew I made a mistake with the motherboard I purchased. My motherboard wasn't compatible with my PC case. The computer looked well when it was working and lit up, but I wasn't happy that two of the USB 3.0 ports and the USB 3.1 Type-C port were not working because the motherboard hadn't the connectors on it to supply these USB ports. I should have spent extra money on the motherboard and it would have been compatible with the PC case and all the ports would have worked. Thank you for watching my video. If any brands were displayed, they were only to show what I used to build my PC. No brands sponsor me, and no one gives me any funds.